Who's up for another fan video? That's right. Think of it this way, as another episode of Eskie with an Eskimo. But no, I was at my favorite vintage shop today, and I just saw this, and I figured, why the hell not? It needed a home, so $20 later, it came home with me. And in fact, it is an Eskimo, because it is Eskimo. It's a model 121007, 115 volts, 60 hertz, so I would say this was about post 70. AC only, 1 amp, British manufacturing version, brewed from Missouri. You all approve. So 1 amp, 3 speed, and yeah, it's the counter-clockwise model, which this makes this my second little box fan that runs counter-clockwise. First was that Westinghouse that you saw many videos ago. And for those intrigued, yes, the cage is metal, back cage, excuse me. I cleaned this up a bit, put a couple drops of oil in it, and everything else. So yeah, what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up, and we're going to give it a go. Okay, it's rated for 1 amp, but you also need to realize it was at 115 volts. We're running 117 in the house, so I guess here's on. Here's high. Not as loud as I thought it would be. And we're running at 1.14 amps, so like I said, a little high, but like I said, it all depends on how many volts are going into your house. I mean, it's not excessively too much, but it's... And plus also, this hasn't been ran. In fact, this is the first time I ran it since I bought it, and I only ran it for like maybe 2 seconds, because it was already plugged up. Running 89 watts. Medium. Medium, we're running 57 and 7/10 of an amp. And the low. Nice gentle breeze. And we're running 5400 of an amp. And 43 watts. Let me put this back on amps for a moment. Back to the high. Yeah, it's going down, but the best thing I could do is run this for a bit and see where it goes. But till now, check spin out time now. That's where I heard a startup sound, so... That was faint. I'm not going to go with the medium or low, because if it was faint on high, it'd be non-existent on the other speeds. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Is this little Eskimo model 121007. I picked up for $20 at my favorite vintage shop. Eskie with an Eskimo. But yeah, these little box fans, like I said, they're kind of small, but they're mighty. Like certain breeds of dogs, like, we're a small but hardy breed. And why not? And I never had a mini McGraw-Edison box fan like this. I think this is my first one. My second one that's running counterclockwise. I think I'm doing it. Either way, point is, I figured why not. And I'm gonna let this run for a bit and see what happens, and hope I can get it down to under an amp, because, like I said, I mean, a lower voltage, and we're running 117, so who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? So, till next time, wherever it is, and Eskie, thank you for watching. Come box is open.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Probably not as long, but it's the idea. I mean, I've been running this for about 2-3 hours, and that's about as low as it'll go. 103, 104, so I guess it's running in spec, but slightly higher, because like I said, we're running 118 volts in the house now, so power fluctuations. But of course, also this meter could be highly inaccurate, because I did buy it at Menards and it's not a true kilowatt meter, so who knows? Who the fuck knows?